Welcome, in front of me I have Oppo Reno5 and today I'll show you a couple features, the best features that you can find in this camera smartphone. So when you are going for the camera, at the first we are going to focus what we can find interesting in the settings. So tap on the right upper corner and we can find here a few interesting options like the watermarks, the volume button, compositions and also slow motion video resolution. Let's focus from one of them. Let's start from the watermarks. So when you take a lot of photos and you're posting it on the Instagram or any social media, you can mark your photos. So we have to tap on the switcher. You can add the phone model and also customize. So we can basically type here that the photo was taken, for example, by HardReset.Info. Tap on the switcher, and when you go back and when you take a photo, just take a look. I'm going to take a photo like that. Bank, and when you take a look right here and the left bottom corner, you can spot that there we got the mark and the photo was taken by HardReset.Info. So very nice and very useful feature. When we go back to the settings and move to another one, I'm talking about the volume button. We can enable volume button as a shutter or zoom. I'm always use it as the last one. Just take a look how it works. When you switch to the shutter or zoom and you grab your phone like that and you want to make the smooth zoom, you have to press the volume up button like that. As you can see, that's how we can zoom in. And if you want to zoom out, just use the same, but the volume down button. And of course we can also switch lenses. So we can go from the wide to the ultra wide and using the telelens. When you go back to the settings, we can find here the composition. So if you want to make the better composition of your photo, you have to go for the grid lines, for example. And just take a look. Right now we are able to make better photo with the better composition, just like that, by enabling these lines. And go back to the settings for the last time. Here we can find the slow motion video resolution. So if you want to shot your slow motion in the full HD, you have to pick this option. And that's it. So right now we are going to focus on the modes and the settings that we can find here. So of course we got basic modes like night, video and photo. Of course I'm not going to talk about that because everybody know that modes. With portrait is the same. But when you tap right here on these three circles, you can enable modes. So as you can see, that's how it will change the look of our photo. So we can change the temperature, the colors by using one of the mode. It's very cool. You don't have to change settings with external app after taking photo. You can make it immediately in the camera. Okay, let's go back and go for the more, and here we can find for me there we got the three interesting options. There's the dual view video. So when you enable this mode, just take a look, you can capture video from the front camera and from the rear camera, just like that. And of course you can switch these cameras by tapping on the right upper corner, so you can be at the bottom or the top, you have to decide. So it's very nice when you make vlogs for the YouTube or something like that and you want to catch your face, show your face and also something that is in front of you. And here we can find also the text scanner mode. So let's grab this memory card and just take a look. Here we can find some kind of the text. So when you got it and tap on the shutter, other part of the photo was cut off automatically. So another useful feature. And the last one option that you can find in the smartphone, it's of course the macro mode. So we can take photo with the macro lens. We can take it close, maybe just like that. Okay, but also when you go for the settings, you can find another one, but I want to take, okay, there we got the HD, so we can focus like that. Yeah, we can focus like that, and we can take better quality photo with this mode. Just take a look. Okay, maybe I'll take it on a 2x. Bang. And now we can compare these photos. So there is the 2x, and there we got the macro mode also. I think that this 2x looks better. We can take it on the 5x. Yeah, just like that. I don't know why it catch focus outside. Okay, and here we can also spot a lot of details on the photo. I think even more than on the macro HD, and that's all. So here we can find a couple of the options, but to be honest, it's nothing new, nothing that can surprise you, but a couple of the few nice things. So if you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.